Hey dolls, so I have this V-part wig to show you, and if you want to see where it's from, how I install it, and it actually already came curled, so really easy. Stay tuned if y'all want to see. So this is from Alipearl. This is the box that it came in, or the lid of the box. Really pretty. It also came with this melting band, which is so cute because it's glittery. Definitely gonna have to try that out. It also came with an edge wrap band, which is good for tying down your edges at night. Also came with some lashes, a edge brush, never can have enough of those. Some of these caps, these are the ones that really like melt down, HD caps. And you also have a bag as well to store your wig in. You don't really need like a wig caps or anything with a U part or V part wig, in my opinion, unless you want to use it with a closure, then you can do that. But yeah, this one is really nice and it fits really well. It has adjustable straps and everything like that to make it more secure to your head, and the curls are really pretty and everything like that. So just stay tuned if y'all want to see me install this wig. Okay, so we're going to be trying out this U-part wig and styling it up so y'all can see what it's giving. Actually, we're probably not going to really have to style it because it does come with curls in it, so I forgot that. So really easy and convenient. And my hair is already parted off with the hair that I need to have out, so that's cool. You could just braid down your hair. Like if you're going to get a sew-in, just leave out your parting area, whether you want it on the side or in the middle. And this is how the wig looks. If y'all can see, they already have curls in here, which is really nice. And then this is how it looks. So you have some combs, 2 combs here on each side, and then you have 2 more combs like on the middle section, and then another comb here in the back. And then you also have these combs on the sides. Well, actually up here it's clips, not combs, and then back here you also have a comb. And this is adjustable, and also you have this elastic band, which is going to be great. And the wig does come with this little piece right here. I am going to cut it open. It's just a little piece of like where they sewed it together. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop her on. I have my leave out sectioned off right here. Okay, y'all, I cut my leave out, so yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and put her on like that. You could just pull your hair in a ponytail, or like I said, you could braid your hair, or whatever you want to do, whatever works best for you. Especially like if you just want to do a quick style, you could pull your hair in a little low ponytail and it'll work. Especially if you have your hair like blow dried out pretty good, or if you want to flat iron it or whatever. You just want to kind of part your leave out to match up to the way that the combs and everything are, so that it will lay nicely. And then I'm gonna just take this down, and I already had a middle part. So okay, so this is how she is looking already. Like she is already blending in. Mine's is gonna be a little lumpy because of how my foundation is underneath, but y'all get the vibe. Like it's still pretty flat. And we're just going to comb these curls out. I'm going to stand up and back up so you can really see. And they had one of those smell good packet things in there. The curls are really pretty, like if y'all can see that. The hair feels really soft and silky. You can just bump your hair to blend, or, you know, roll it overnight or whatever. The hair does smell really good. It kind of gives like a perfume-y kind of smell. But yeah, the curls look nice already. And my hair blends in really good. I'm going to show y'all the back. I didn't even comb the back out. Let me comb out all the curls first. Really soft and silky. This is kind of how all the hair looks pulled forward. all I can smell is that little scent thing. Probably kind of hard for y'all to see. I probably shouldn't have wore black. But yeah, you can do a little behind the ear moment or whatever. You really can kind of do the same like you can with a sew-in. And it comes out really flat, and you could get a sew-in super quick. You could cut the combs out and just braid your hair and sew it on, which is also a nice option. I may end up using this wig for that eventually. The curls look. This is how the back looks. If y'all can see, it falls pretty nice. I'm not sure what length it is. The curls are kind of tight, which I'm sure they will drop over time, but they do fall like right on top of my butt. I feel like this is about a 24, 26, somewhere in there. Let's see if it says it on here. 26. Yeah, so 26. So yeah, this is how she looks. She gets nice and flat. So yeah, this is how it looks. And of course, you can style your baby hairs however you want. Mine's were already done, so really simple and easy. And yeah, she looks really flat. Like, she gives sew-in vibes real bad. Okay, period. And also, that pretty much concludes this video. Really simple and easy to install. Not much work unless you're going to braid your hair down. Then, you know, it's a few extra steps. But yeah, the hair feels nice. It's super silky. It already came curled, so it's a fresh out of the box U-part, V-part wig. It's actually a V-part, I believe. If y'all have questions, leave them down below. Definitely check out Alipearl for their U-part and V-part wigs. And yeah, bye, dolls.